Hello stylers, welcome back to FullStyle Inc. for another video. My name is Nadia and I am the creator and founder of FullStyle Inc. Wow. It's been over a year since I gave that introduction. Hi. Hello. First of all, how are you? How are you? I want to know. Tell me. I'm listening. Wow. Mm. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing. No, in all earnest seriousness, I hope everything has been going well. I hope all has been going well. What a world we live in. Last time I seen you guys, I was fighting for my life. I mean, I'm still fighting for my life, but like physically fighting for my life, and it was affecting me mentally and emotionally. And now I'm just fighting for my life creatively. Well, no, creatively and financially, but such a life as artist. Many things have happened. Many changes have happened since the last time we spoke, and more changes are to come. I'm not going to get into that in this video. I just wanted to talk about this space. So, yeah, I will be doing a formal video giving you guys story time update. It's going to be a story time with visuals. I will be sharing footage that I have captured over the past 6-8 months. As I tell you how I ended up in the studio, what is happening, what is going on, what I have been up to, because I miss you guys so much and you guys deserve that. So that is going to be an update story time as well as an announcement because there will be changes coming to the FullStyle Inc. channel. But I wanted to come back and give you guys a tour of this space that I have been calling my creative home for the past 6-7 months that I have been working on and continue to work on to make it a representation of me and my creativity. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the studio tour. And I see you in the end. I'll be back. I'll be back. Did you love it? Did you love it? Did you love it, stylers? Okay, I'm gonna make this quick because my camera wants to die. My battery wants to die. Um, yeah, this is my space. I've been here since October, and it is part of a artist in resident program at a current company that I have been working with since October 2023, September, October 2023. But I will get more into that in the next video. Um, I sew here, I create here, I see my clients, I see my students here. I Yeah, I get a lot of creativity and work done here. I'm here every day unless I intentionally take a day off or have some things to do, but I'm here every day like I'm clocking in and out of work. I'm sewing, I'm creating, I'm building a business, content creation, all the good things. And I wanted to make my return to YouTube because I miss you guys so much. I've missed YouTube so much. It is my original form of content creation. It is where I was birthed and raised. And I wanted to come back, and I wanted to come back with something special. And I've been wanting to film a studio tour for months now, and I have had the privilege to do so now for reasons that I will explain in the update video. I'm really getting you guys to be nosy so you can go and watch that video. So yes, that should be up next week. If not the end of this week, next week. I'm gonna try to decide what my upload days will be. So I'm not gonna say nothing now because I don't want to say make promises I can't keep. So yeah, I am working on content now as we speak. So there will be videos after this video and the update announcement video because we are back. We are back, but things are changing. So hope you guys are excited. I know I am. And I cannot wait to get into it. I cannot wait to get into these comments. I cannot wait to see how YouTube is going to treat me now that I've made a comeback. So yeah, I love you guys. And yeah, what's my outro? I love you guys, but most importantly, remember that you are loved and you are worthy to be loved. But most important, always remember to love yourself fully. Until next time.